Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn on night shift mode on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, so just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find display and brightness, and here you will see night shift. So just tap on it, and here you can also see shadowed option. So here you can see night shift automatically shifts the colors of your display to the warmer and of the color spectrum after dark. This may help you get a better night's sleep. So if you choose schedule, it will here you need to choose from what time to what time you want to see it, and manually enable until tomorrow, so it will turns on now until tomorrow. So this is the way how you can change it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day. And also you can see here you can control it by less warmer and more warmer. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.